Hello, everybody. Good afternoon, good morning, good day. How are you? Hope you are well. Excellent. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. Please confirm that you can hear me and as well you can see me, right? I hope you can see me and you can hear me because tonight we're going to have a good time. We're going to talk about trading generally. Welcome everybody to this platform. Okay, so we are not going to waste time. We're going to start. Just want to be sure that everything's all right. Everybody can hear me. Thank you so much. Good, 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 good. So we are off and live and going, right? So we are off and going now. Thank you so much. All right, so let me talk to you first about who I am because you like to know who is talking to you, right? So, by the way, I got introduced by a friend who trades stocks over the last 20 years. So this guy taught me to look, let's give it a go. So I jumped straight into Forex trading. I did a very little demo testing, obviously, but I opened my first live account straight away with very little testing. But unfortunately, I joined a bad broker at the time. The broker was constantly recruiting me. I'm talking about a lot of years ago. So, well, needless to say that I blew my first account within 4 weeks. So my account was gone. So what do? The reason was I was using a strategy which I found on the internet, and that seems to work. The strategy seems to work when I do a little bit of demo testing, maybe a week. However, it failed miserably in live trading environment. I mean, you guys must have been there before. You tested it. You test something and it got to live environment and it didn't work. That has actually happened to me. So, having blown my first account, so I was contacted by a company. They call themselves a professional traders. They promised to trade my account for me. They said they were going to trade my account profitable. Okay, I said, all right, I'll give you the money. In fact, I opened an account with them. In fact, they encouraged me. They said to me, make it big account, put a lot of money. And at the time, I had a lot of money with me. So I said, oh, why not? So I actually put a lot of money into that account. So I deposited large money, hoping that they will return me good profit at the end of the day. I must say that it took them less than 4 weeks to blow my account. Remember, previously when I trade myself, I blew my account, but it was quicker for the professionals to actually finish my account. So since that time, I decided that, look, I will never give any of my account to anybody to trade. I would rather trade it myself. So because I'm going to learn along the way. So that was my decision. So, but before then, I make another blunder. After that, I make another blunder. So this time around, I got introduced to the world of, expert advisors, robots, it's going to trade for you. So I said, okay, why not? Let me try. So I bought actually 2 expert advisors worth about $1,000. Okay. So instead of these EAs, as we call it, EAs, expert advisors, to turn my account to profit, what did they do? They wiped it out. So because the EA couldn't take good trades. Okay, so at this point, I said, look, I'm left with 2 options, 2 things I can do. One, I can quit or find solution or find the answer. So I choose the later option to find solution to it. So I then set myself a target. I said, look, guys, I'm going to challenge myself to build a strategy that works. So if I succeed in doing that, I will stick to that strategy. Otherwise, I'm going to call it a day. That is, I'm done. C'est fini. So to achieve this, my objective, what I did was, I looked for a mentor and I found a mentor. The mentor developed an indicator which turned out to be one of the indicators that is very accurate and believable. So having learned how to use this indicator, I used that indicator to build a strategy for myself. So after learning from that mentor, learning that indicator, build that strategy, I then open a third live account. This is the third one now. But this time I use my own strategy based on the market understanding I have and the risk management in place. So resilient payoff, my strategy produced a good profit in 1 month. After I started live trading in 1 month, it produced a very good profit. So I then stick to that strategy. Now that I've understand what make up a good strategy, I have then gone on to build several strategies for myself, winning strategies for myself and for my students. But you know that I've coached quite a lot of people, hundreds, if not thousands of students. I realized that the limitation to them being profitable is not the strategy, right? But the lack of adequate mentorship. What happened to me, right? Hence, your trade mentor was established to build an army of 1 million traders, successful traders. And we are on our way to doing that. So that is my story, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for joining me. I've just told you my story, and I hope that you guys, you can place yourself into it. So tonight, I am going to talk to you about a strategy that works. I will talk to you about a strategy that works, okay? That strategy, I will describe it a little bit first. It's a MACD strategy, okay? This strategy has won a lot of awards, okay? There was a competition somewhere, and Forex traders and the winner of that competition actually used this strategy. They call it double MACD strategy. He won that strategy a few years ago, and it described how it uses it. So I adapt that strategy, and I discovered that it's a powerful strategy. If you look on my YouTube channel, nearly 300,000 or more people have already watched this video, and they probably using it, and we have adopted it in our group as well as one of the strategies that we teach. So tonight, if you look at what I'm teaching you, it's a real strategy that works in the real trade environment. So having said that, guys, you know that trading, sometimes you might think that getting a mentorship, oh, it's going to be expensive. You know, I know. I can see some people told me they get mentorship for $5,000 US, 10,000 US dollar. It is possible, but of course, some people will rip people off, you know. But consider that if you don't have a mentorship, you are still going to lose your life savings if you don't have proper knowledge and you still go ahead and trade. So keep that in mind. So the strategy is called the MACD. So we are going to use 2 MACD to trade. So we are going to take what is called the trend entry signal, and we are going to do a reach entry signal. We're going to do counter trend signal. That is all we are going to do today. The bullish, bearish divergences, I can show you, but I think the first 3 is what we're going to look at, because that's the main strategy we are focusing on. Okay, so too many Forex coaches around. Some of them will not even give you anything. They will just tell you, okay, you know, come and join my group, and I will show you. But whether you join me or you haven't joined me, what is important that I want to give you a tool that is going to be very, very useful for you. All right. So first of all, we're going to look at what is MACD. Okay. Does anybody know what is MACD? If you know what is MACD, can you type it here? Let me gauge your how far you guys have gone. What is MACD? Anybody? What is MACD? I'm going to sip water. So if you know what is MACD, let me know. What is MACD? Anybody? Anybody know what MACD is? Okay. All right. So what is MACD actually? You know, it's a trend following. So MACD is a trend following indicator. You can call it a trend following. At the same time, you can call it a momentum indicator, right? So it consists of 2 moving averages. That is why they call it MACD, moving average convergence divergence. 2 moving averages, they combine together, and it plots its data on a on a momentum oscillator. So that is all there is to a MACD. As you can see in this example, we are going to use two MACDs. So in a MACD, you have the histogram, you have the zero line, and this is the MACD itself. So these lines are the histogram line. This is the zero line, and this is the MACD itself. Okay. So what happened is when price is above MACD, we said they were kind of uptrend. When they were below, you said they are downtrend, and the line in the middle signify the dissection between the upper and the lower trend. Okay. So now, right. So when, as I said, you see, the first one is going to be, first MACD is going to be 12.26.1. We are going to deploy two MACDs. We call one is the small MACD. We're going to deploy the second one, we call it bigger MACD. So the small MACD, the settings will be 12, 26, and 1. And the second MACD, we'll talk about it later. So the first MACD, that is what it's going to look like. So when price is above that MACD, you say the price is uptrend. Like from this line here to this line, you can see MACD is above zero line. You say it's uptrend. And when price is below, when MACD is below the zero line, you say the price is in a downtrend. Okay, so you see how we define downtrend now. When MACD is above, the histogram is above zero, we say they are in uptrend. When the histogram is below zero, we say they are in downtrend. Somebody might be asking me, is this for a beginner? Is this for a beginner, or I'm an advanced person? Will this work for me? Yes. If you're a beginner, this is going to work for you. And even if you're an advanced person, what's important in Forex is not how long or how many years you've been trading it, it's how successful you are. And what you are using, is it working for the market, in the current market? So whether you are a beginner or you are an advanced person, yes, this is going to work extremely well for you. Okay. So you got this now. So you got the, so you see when when MACD is above, we say is a positive MACD. When MACD is below, we also say it's a negative MACD, or you can say uptrend or downtrend, either of the two. So that is the first MACD. We call it 12.26.1, MACD 12.26.1. Okay. The second MACD, okay, we are going to do the second MACD, where we call the first one, actually the first one is big MACD and the second one is smaller MACD, and the setting is a little bit different. Setting is 5.15.1. So we have MACD 5.15.1. Similar situation when price is above the zero line, we say we are in positive MACD zone, uptrend. When MACD histogram is below zero line, we say we are in the negative zone, which is downtrend. So above is positive zone, which is here. All this area is positive zone. All this area is negative zone. But it's MACD 5.15.5. You know, it is a bad thing to lose money in the market. A lot of traders do contribute to the market. You know, you've had the percentage that 90-something% loses money in the market. In fact, it is real. It is real, because a lot of people do contribute money and they lost their money. Why? Because they haven't actually learned the trade properly. Some people would throw in $200, $50, $100, $1,000, but they haven't learned the trade properly. But if you do learn the trade properly, you could make consistent profit. You can make profit consistently by deploying a strategy that works. Okay, so got to let the emotion out of your game. Emotion is one of the worst killer in forex trading. Emotion kills. All right, so we got these two MACDs. So how do we play together? So we are going to put these two MACDs together. So we have one, which is the yellow MACD, we say is the smaller MACD, and we have the white MACD, which is the bigger MACD. As we said, the yellow MACD is 5:15:1. We're going to do it later on. The bigger MACD, the settings is 12:26:1. Okay, and you have the zero line. Both of them have their separate zero line. So when you combine it together on your chart, this is what it's going to look like. And we're going to make some trading decision based on this indicator, right? So, but remember that there's no strategy you are going to develop without having a proper money management. You can have the best strategy ever, but with a very bad money management, the account is going to be decimated, right? But with a good strategy and a good money management, you will survive and you will make money at the end of the day. So for YourTradeMentor.com, that is what we do. We are going to give you the strategy, and then we're going to give you the proper money management tools that you can use to profit in the market. So this is the setup. Okay. So now we are going to look at the first type of signals that we take. We call it the trend entry signal. We call it the trend entry signal. Okay. Trend entry signal is you look at the two MACDs, right? Okay. You know that when the MACD are above the zero line, all over here, that is a positive MACD. When they are below zero line, negative, positive, negative, right? So now you want to watch when the smaller MACD cross the zero line going upward. All right. When the yellow MACD crosses above zero and the white MACD also is moving in the same direction, that is a buy signal. You can see here, if you look at that line, see the white, the yellow MACD has crossed the line here, and the white MACD is also in the same direction. You say you have a buy order. That is a bullish order. So long position. Similarly, if you look here, this is when yellow MACD crosses zero line downward, right? You say, and you see that the white MACD is following the same direction. You have a sell position there. All right. Look here, when it crosses here as well, you have a sell position here. Here you have a buy position. Here you have a sell position. There you have a buy position. So anytime yellow MACD crosses below the zero line and the white MACD is following the same direction, you instigate a new position. That is the trend entry signal. This is one of the most powerful signal that you can generate using this strategy. Okay. However, you need to capitalize yourself adequately. In our group in YourTradeMentor.com, we always tell you what kind of capital you need and what the expectation you should have when you trade. Okay, if somebody comes to us and say, look, they've got $50 to trade, that is their capital, and they want to double the account in a month, you know what that means. It's a recipe for disaster. It's a recipe for disaster because the $50 is actually very small, but if you manage it with, say, micro, and then you take a strategy that doesn't let you trade more than maybe 5 pip or 10 pip loss, pips lot size for your stop loss, and 0.01 trade, maybe you can survive. But if you have $50 and then you are trading a strategy with 100 pip stop loss, even if you take 0.01, right? You know that is too much, because what happens is the money is gonna go, because the stop loss can happen anytime. You could trade 3 times or 4 times in a row, and you have 4 losses in a row. Before you know, your $50 has gone down. Even if $1,000 and you are taking unnecessary risk, it will finish that account. So that is the buy signal for this. When the yellow MACD crosses the line, let's look at it here. when the yellow MACD crosses the line, zero line, and the white MACD follows it, then we have a buy signal. The sell signal is when the yellow line crosses zero line and the downwards, and the white one is following it. We say we have a sell signal. Another thing you should know is that the broker that you choose is also very important in trading. I know a lot of people, they've done a lot of research, and that is where we are as a mentor. We are going to tell you and help you to choose the right broker. Actually, we'll tell you, I'll give you the ideas of how the broker performs, how easy to withdraw your money, what is the spread they will charge you when you are trading, how easy it's to deposit, and what are the tricks that the broker can play on your trading. So all these tricks is what we're going to show you. Okay, so this is the trade entry signal. Okay, let's move forward. We have the second strategy. We call it the re-entry signal. Remember, the first one is the trend entry. The second one is the re-entry signal. Okay, please guys, take time to learn properly, because that's one of the problems. If somebody have half-baked education, half-baked knowledge, they just go straight and say, oh, I know it all, because now they just got this strategy right now, and they didn't have time to study it, to test it, to work it out, make sure it works before they go into the market. So what happened is, it might work for a little, maybe a week, and suddenly some cracks appear and they start losing money because they haven't dedicated themselves enough to learn it very, very properly. So in YourTradeMentor.com, we are going to mentor you in such a way that any strategy that you choose or that you decided to use, or we encourage you to use, you are going to be professional and learn it to the core until you become profitable. Okay. So now the re-entry signal. So what is the difference between the two? I'll show you. The re-entry signal says that when the small MACD, which is the yellow MACD, crosses the zero line, okay, all right, so, and the white MACD is following it, that is the first entry, right? That is the initial entry that we said, right? But the re-entry happens, the re-entry happens, I'll show you, let me see if it's, okay. The re-entry happens when, you can see here, you see it has crosses zero line here, and the white MACD is also in the same direction. That is the white, that is the first entry, right? So let me show you about first entry is when both of them are following, but let me show you re-entry. The other one is called the counter trend. Then I'll come back to that because I want to differentiate it. So you can see the counter trend is, you can see these lines are the initial entry lines. Yeah, these lines are the initial entry lines. But now you see when you had a buy position here and the two MACD crosses each other, that is when you generate a counter trend. A counter trend. Okay, a counter trend is generated when the two MACD crosses not the zero line. When it crosses the zero line, that is the first entry, that is the trend entry. But when they crosses each other, that is the counter trend. That is the counter trend. All right, so counter trend is a little bit dangerous, as you know that it's always good to trade with the trend. But when you go against the trend, you have to be very fast, and you cannot stay in the market for too long, because the market has a direction it's going, but you are trying to go against the direction. So here is the counter trend. Okay, so here you are going to sell here because both of them have crossed, but you can see the trend is up. So you really want to take a little bit of profit here. By the way, your take profit target for these trades, where you're going to use 1 hour time frame, the take profit target will be 20 pips, and our stop loss will be 10. So use 10 pip stop loss and 20 pip profit target. If you move to 4 hours charts, because you can use either 1 hour or 4 hours. If you move to 4 hours chart, you double that. So you double 40 pips will be your take profit and 20 pips will be your stop loss. Okay, just to clear that. So counter trend is when the two of them now crosses together. That is when you take a sell here. That is when the yellow crosses the white one, the small MACD crosses the big MACD, you take a sell. Also here you can see, even though we are in a downward trend here, we are downtrend, you are buying when both of them cross. It looks like a good trade, right? But you got to get out fast. Like here, when you sold here, you have to get out fast. In fact, when you use this particular counter trend, you can reduce your profit target to half. Okay. In the other one, in the real trend direction trading, that you can leave your profit target as full, either 10 pips, 20 pips for 1 hour chart, 40 pips for 4 hour chart. All right, so you can see here as well is a counter trend here. The MACD is over the zero line, but you are selling because both of them has crossed. The yellow MACD has crossed below the white MACD, then you are going to sell there. The same thing here, you are buying here, even though MACD is negative. Okay, so you see MACD is negative and you are buying. That is called counter trend. Counter trend. The first thing is also don't have a wrong concept, wrong concept of returns in Forex, So if you have a good concept of returns, I mean, approximately, I want a 5% return in a month, will be decent, 10% decent. But when you're talking about 100%, 50%, double your money in a month or 2 months, that is not real. It's like you are building something in a castle that will not happen. Instead, the opposite will happen. The account will go. So you can see here is also a counter trend. So you are going against the trend. The trend is up, but you are selling here. So make sure you have a very short, small profit target, and half of that will be your stop loss, so that you can stop. You'll be stopped out very quickly. Okay, so I'm going to quickly show you divergence sickness. Okay, divergence sickness is also very, very interesting, but you have to identify the divergence first. So on your chart, you have to know how to find divergence. Divergence is when price is doing something different from what the indicator is doing. So look at that. If you draw a trend line between these two highs, you see price were ascending, going up between these two highs. But if you draw a line between the two highs again, on the indicator, you see the indicator shows down. Okay. Meanwhile, price says is going up, indicator says otherwise. That is what is called divergence. What indicator is reporting is opposite of what the actual price action is saying. So in that case, we might say there's going to be a reversal. Okay. So now if you identify that, and you can see that MACD actually also confirmed it, you can see MACD crosses below zero. So you are going to enter a sell trade when the yellow MACD has crossed under the white MACD, 2 or more candles closed. So just to confirm that, right, it is a true divergence, because sometimes the divergence might be fake. So you want to wait to confirm that it's a true divergence. So after you have identified the divergence, you wait for 2 candles. And after the 2 candles, since MACD has crossed down, then you are going to take your trade. Okay. Let me also show that it's not a good idea to move from one strategy to other strategy. I tell my students that better to have maybe 1 or 2 or 3 strategy at the most, 2 preferably, because the market is we have 2 main markets. Yeah, we have the trending market and we have the range band market. So you got to have something for the 2 markets. That is the main 2 markets we have. Okay, so if you have 2 strategies, or even the third one. That's okay. So keep polishing those 2 or 3 strategy, but not jumping from one to the other. You might jump until you find something that works, and then you stick to it until you make it your strategy. You are going to make it such a strategy that no one will recognize it again. I'm sure a lot of people will have polished this strategy because this is the original strategy, and a lot of people have make it their own. They've added maybe one more indicator, of they've changed it, maybe to take profit target, or maybe they do something to it that makes it their strategy, which is fantastic. We tell our students to do that until you find a strategy that works. That is the holy grail. Holy grail is matching a strategy with yourself, and both of you are in sync. That is the holy grail of Forex. Until you find that, and we can show you that. Because when you come into mentorship, it's not just saying, oh, go and trade MACD. No. We're going to sit down. We're going to talk about what makes you tick. What are your, how do you make decisions? You like making fast or slow decisions? A lot of things will come into play to identify what strategy is suitable to you. And once we identify it, it's like a light bulb. We just come up and say, oh yeah, that is it. That is what I need to do. All right, so that's where we are. That is what we are here for. So this is called the bearish divergence, because the indicator is telling us that we are going to see a bearish move, and you can see definitely there's a bearish move after that divergence. Okay, let's see another divergence. This one is called the bullish divergence. Okay, bullish divergence is the opposite of bearish divergence. Okay, confidence is one thing in the market. Confidence, you can see somebody is trading and is on a roll. Wow, it's trading the last 3 days, is consistently making profit. Day 1 profit, day 2 profit, day 3 profit. So it's on a roll. That is what is called confidence. And when you have confidence, you are emotionally strong. But the opposite is the case. If you lose confidence, what happened? You become emotionally drained. Emotionally drained. You the first day you lost, the second day you lost, the third day you lost. I mean, come on, who is not going to be disappointed? Everybody will be disappointed about that. And what happened is, you feel like you can't fulfill your dream anymore. We all have a good dream of working at your own time, being with your family, do what you want to do. No 9 to 5, no boss calling you. It's all well and good, but why? You need to actually develop yourself to the extent that you are going to be making money and not losing the money. So bullish divergence is the opposite of that. You can see the price action from this low here to the next low. We see that the price has actually gone down, right? So we have a downtrend there. But if you draw on the same high, low, and the second low here on the indicator, it's gone up instead. So this is what is called divergence. This time around, it's a bullish divergence because the indicator is suggesting that price will start to rise. And it did rise. You can see it crosses the 0 line here, and you are going to wait for 2 candles just to confirm that the divergence is for sure, because sometimes the divergence will just happen temporarily and it disappear. It says, oh, we're going to have a bullish divergence, and you bought, and immediately you bought, the price sank again. It goes down. That means you need to actually confirm it. So that's why we put this confirmation there, that you once the MACD crosses again and wait for 2 candles, then you can then go and buy, because you have a divergence. That's a double confirmation. That's a confirmation, right? Excellent. So you guys, this is a strategy that that is going to work. It's a winning strategy. So this is a winning strategy. I said to you before when we started, I said this strategy was used in a competition. I think the competition has thousands of Forex traders, and they all trading to win. You remember those things that they say, okay, if you want to win $4,000 or $10,000 position 1. So this is the strategy that were in play, and it won that competition red-handed. And I think the person uses got a lot of money for it. So it is a winning strategy. So you need a strategy like this, you know. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's look at the next one. So let me give you the short, rules. I've told you a lot of these things, but I want to quickly show you. Right. So, okay. So I've told you about the sell, trade entry for sell. Okay, that is when above zero line but heading downwards. So when MACD is above zero line heading downwards, for yellow MACD, smaller MACD, when it crosses. So TP will be between 20 and 40 pips. Okay. Re-entry. Okay. Re-entry. I said I'm going to talk to you about re-entry. So what it means is, for a sell, MACD is still staying below zero line. Okay. But it crosses above and come back. Okay, I promise to show you. Because of that, I will reverse back to read, because I didn't want to make it complicated. Okay, so look at the re-entry here. Okay, look at here. MACD, yellow, MACD, white, MACD has consistently been above zero line, right? And suddenly, a yellow MACD, the smaller one, dip below zero and then come back again above zero. That is a re-entry signal. Okay, so you have to you can re-enter a buy from here. All right, that's a buy re-entry signal. Okay, and the same thing here. You can see all along, MACD has remained below zero line. Okay, I don't see, but okay, let's use it. This one is correct. So you can see it has remained above zero line, and suddenly a yellow MACD pop down and pop back up. Then that is a re-entry signal. Re-entry signal is the trend is still intact, especially the big MACD, the white MACD is still intact, but the yellow MACD dip in the opposite trend and then come back again. That is what we call re-entry signal. Okay. All right, let's go back to the summary. So summary is this. So sell for counter trend. Counter trend is you are selling against the trend. So MACD is above zero line. Actually, both MACDs above zero line, but they cross each other. That is when you go counter trend. But I told you, use half of the TP. So this time around, use 10 to 20 pips instead of 20 to 40 pips. 1 hour and 4 hours. 1 hour, 20 pips, 4 hours, 40 pips. So you know about divergence itself. You first of all identify the divergence, and then you wait for at least two candles to close, and then you go, you take your trade. So that is short trade. That is the rules. And for the long trade, that is the rule. Okay. Remember that you might have a lot of strategies to choose from, a lot of on the internet. I mean, there are thousands of strategies to choose from. It's always difficult to say, where do you begin? Where do you start from? I know it's a difficult thing to say, where do you start from? It's very tough to know that, but you got to start from somewhere, right? You have to start from somewhere. You got to start from somewhere, and to start from somewhere, you can begin with us. YourTradeMentor.com can show you the simple strategy that can get you started, and we can hold your hand in such a way that you will graduate. You start from maybe trading a little account to a medium-sized account and to a life-size account. In fact, some of us here in Your Trade Mentor, we actually do the proprietary trading. You know about these companies that you can trade for them, right? So they give you money to trade. You all know that, right? So in YourTradeMentor.com, we will teach you and give you strategy that can allow you to trade for those type of firms. Some people will get 50,000 US to trade from those firms, 100,000 US dollars. I know some firms also give even up to $500,000. I don't know where they get it from, but if you're a consistent trader, think about it. If you only make 2% or 5% or 10% every month on a 100,000 US dollars, and they want to share the profit with you 50-50, or they want to share the profit with you maybe 80-20, whatever, or 70-30, whatever the sharing formula is, fantastic, right? But you got to have the right strategy, and you have to follow the right person. Okay, so that is the long trade rule. It's just the opposite of the short trade. I don't need to go through it again. You know it already. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is it. That is the strategy, and it's fantastic. Thank you for joining me. You know, I'm going to be here for any questions you have. Okay. So, as I said to you, it's fantastic to know about the strategy, but I've got special thing for you, because you know, in our team, I want to make sure I put the right tools in your hand. I want to make sure that, you know, our aim is to turn traders to become successful traders, and we have a goal. We want to make at least 1 million traders to become successful. You know, there's no point in wasting money and throwing it off. So we have a package, but everything I'm going to show you tonight here is for you, right? So for example, I'm going to give you a complete tutorial video about different strategies. You can watch it. You've been watching my YouTube channel for a long while. You know, they are all quality content. This will be special videos and access to recorded mentorship. That special video alone will worth 1,000 US dollars. Okay, and access to mentorship recorded video as well, worth $500. These are special bonus. Okay, there are going to be 3 powerful trading strategies that you can choose from. It doesn't matter, even if you don't like any of those 3 strategies, never mind. Don't worry, because I'm going to talk to you one-on-one. I just had a one-on-one mentorship with somebody, I think yesterday and today as well, and the previous day. You know, it's like a light bulb moment. They will realize that, okay, this is a little thing that I need to change. You know, most people know what they are doing. All of you know what you are doing. It's just a little thing that is remaining. It could be money management. It could be emotion. It could be just the time frame you are using. It could be, you know, little things that once you realize it, it's like you are going to a doctor who prescribes something for you, you know, and once you apply that, sometimes it works. So we have a premium indicators, which once you become a member, you can download it. It's worth over $1,000. And we both do fundamental and technical analysis. You know, sometimes traders do fall into 2 camps, fundamental or technical. But never mind, whatever camp you are, we get you back. You got our back, right? So the bonuses, again, that I'm going to put in conjunction with what I've shown you already is you have access to our member-only forum. We have a Discord server that only members have access to. That is where all the live trading, if your account statement, you want to see trading signals, everything like that. And we're going to give you a live trade review sessions every week. That forum alone worth $600. So every week we have a review sessions, and you have a priority support from us. The good thing is that if you don't want to trade yourself, you just want a signal provider, we in our channel on the server, Discord server, we have signal providers that we generate every day, and you can take those signals and trade them. And if you become profitable or you have your own strategy, you can become a signal provider as well. We do high impact analysis, which is about $200. We are going to release new videos, probably weekly or even shorter than that. That's about $250. We're going to give you access to our expert advisor pages, okay? And we have a live trading room. So some people prefer to actually come together like buddies and trade together. So we have that as well. So all these that I've mentioned, the special bonus and bonus, we put them together as your benefit. Okay, these are all benefits that you are going to get. Okay, now there are only 3 packages that you can choose from. Okay, the first one is you want to have a complete online training access. Everything I've said so far, all the special bonus and bonuses, you want to have access to all of them. It's called the package 3. We call it silver package in our own terms. Silver package. So it's 50 USD. Okay. Then if you're a person that you want a touch with the mentor, with myself, you just want a small touch with the mentor to show you a little bit of what is happening, how to do it. I've been trading. These are my challenges. I want you to help me. And you only need like a day. A day to us is 2 hours. So you only have to pay 200 USD. However, if you are someone that needs a lot of work, I mean, you are new, or even you have been trading, but you really want an in-depth analysis of your trading career, what you have done so far, what step can you take, and you need a deeper analysis. We'll suggest 3 days. 3 days means 2 hours every day, so that's 6 hours in total. It can be any day you choose. It doesn't have to be 2-3 days in a row. It can be a week apart. It can be a month apart. It can be the following day, whatever it suits you. My calendar will be open, and all you got to do is just book. Just book anytime that pleases you. So we have package 1, package 2, package 3. So I want you to type in the box which package that you want to join. Okay, which package will you prefer? 1, 2, or 3? Okay, if you prefer package 1, just type 1. If yours is package 2, type 2. If yours is package 3, type 3. Okay, so if you have any questions, I'm going to be here to answer all your questions. I'm not going to rush to anywhere. I'm going to answer a question either on the topic we have treated already, the double MACD strategy, or even about these packages. So I want you to type for me if you want 1, 2, or 3, because I got something for you, right? I got something special for you at the end of the day. Don't go anywhere, because if you go, you are going to miss out. I got something special for you. Okay, so the package 1 will give you access to everything we have talked about today. Package 2 will give you access to everything that included in the package 3 plus 1-day mentorship. Okay, and the package number 3 will give you all the bonus and the special bonuses plus 3 days mentorship. That is what you are going to get if you sign up to either package 3, package 1, package 2, or package 3. So Mama Late 66, you want package number 1. Okay, good. So package number 1, what it includes is all this. So you have access to members forum, which is Discord. You have live trading review sessions. You have priority support. You have trade signal recommendation if you just want to take a trade signal. You have high impact news analysis. In fact, we do NFP. I hope you guys know what is NFP. And we are killing NFP. I mean, some of our members, we did the last NFP Friday past. And yes, I'm not sure of that profit percentage, something like 10% or something like that, that some of the members made by trading that NFP news. So we do high impact analysis news, not just the NFP only. The other day we were looking at the CPI news, the core price index, and also we do the PPI as well. So we analyze a lot of high impact news, and we release different videos. For example, today we released a new video, the one we did our live session yesterday. Also, yes, you have complete tutorial videos, which is worth over $1,000. All of these things is inclusive in your package 1. And okay, USB, you want package 2. Okay, so in your case, USB, your package 2 will give you access to the complete tutorial video, which is worth over $1,000, access to mentorship recorded video. So for example, USB, because you choose package 2, you have 2-hour session with me, and I'm going to record whatever we discuss. I'm going to record it, and once I record it, you will have access to that video later on. You have access to that recording. You can hear it over and over and over again, because in that discussion, I will recommend a strategy for you, and that strategy is what you can listen to every time. If you still have any question, you can come back to me, or you can refer back to the video. Okay, so right, so these are the 3 packages. Anyone else that want to pick a package before I move on, because there's going to be something special coming up as well. So let me know what packages you choose first, and then I will tell you something special after that. So let me know your package. So you know that the package 1 will be 3 days inclusive of everything. Package 2 will be 1 day plus everything. And package 3, as you know, package 3 does not have mentorship. It just gives you access to everything that we have talked about. It gives you access to all of this stuff, but there is no mentorship. So you're going to be in the team. You are going to receive the powerful trading strategies. You're going to receive the premium indicators. You're going to learn about fundamental technical trades. You have access to the forum, live trading, trade signals. You can take all these trade signals. You can join the news analysis. You look at the new video releases. But for package 1, you get 3 days included as well. And package 2, you get 1 day mentorship included. Okay, so thank you so much for choosing package 1, 2, and 3. All right. Right, wait for it, because I know somebody might say, okay, so Arlington wants package 2. Okay, for your package 2 is brilliant, because you are combining both worlds. It means that you're going to get access to the Discord server, so you'll be meeting all other students. You're all going to be trading together, which is fantastic. So you are trading together, you are learning from each other, the mentor is there with you, and you also have access to me for 1 day. You can ask me anything. You can ask me anything. We can discuss whatever you want me to discuss with you, but I will give you my own strategy. You will see how I trade, and I will show you if your strategy is working for you. We'll discuss it. If it's not, we'll analyze it. I would not say drop your strategy entirely. We just analyze it, like a mature discussion. But if you realize that I'm offering something much better, and then you can see the proof that it's working, then maybe you will say, okay, I'll adopt your strategy. Okay, excellent. So thank you for that. Arlington, yes, number 2 is perfect. Okay, so these things are here, and YourTradeMentor.com, if you go there, you can sign up to any of this package. And immediately you sign up to the packages, you are going to receive an email that give you your login detail. Actually, you are going to put in your login. When you sign up, you will put your username and you create a password. That will let you log in straight away to the student portal. On that portal, that's where you have all your videos you can watch and documents. Apart from that, we have a separate forum on a Discord server. That we will add it to the Discord server. We put in our family group, and that is when the action begins. That is where the magic happens, because it's a live environment where people are added on a daily basis, and trading is happening. As we are speaking, people are on the live Discord trading, on live trading. Okay, so thank you for that, Audington. Matthew, thank you for that. Hello, Matthew. Right, so you can sign up to these 3 packages, but I want to say something, guys. If you are still here, I deliberately delayed this for a while, because I know some people that are interested, they're going to stay with us. If People might have gone. Maybe next time they will come back. But if you are still here, it shows me that you have a very high interest in what we are doing. And because of that, I am going to reveal something to you. Okay? I am going to reveal something special to you now. Wait for it. Wait for it. Right. Look at that. Okay. So what am I talking about? So what I'm talking about is, you see the $50, yeah, for package 1, the $200 for package 2, yes, and the $500 for package 3. Those have been promised to be paid by a broker. Yes, Pradip, no, it's not a monthly payment. Those are one-off payments, okay? However, to remain in the group, there is a subscription fee of 50 US every month. Everybody pays that. But if you are package 3, for example, is a one-off payment of 500 USD. If you are package 2, it's a one-off payment of 200 USD. If you are package 1, it's a one-off payment of 50. But everybody, at the end of the day, you will still remain in the group, which is a 50 USD monthly. So, thank you for choosing the packages, but somebody else has decided that they want to pay on your behalf. They call them Blueberry Market. How many people have heard of Blueberry Market? I know a lot of people will have heard of IC Market. Blueberry Market is also as popular, well, maybe not as popular as them, but they are very, very good broker. They are also in the same country as IC Market. They are in Australia. Okay, let me go to their website. I'm going to type their, let me just say Blueberry. I'm going to show you their website, Blueberry Market. Okay, so what they have said is, any of you that sign up tonight to Blueberry Market, okay? So say for example, you have decided that you want to take option 1, for example, like Mamra D66. You want option 1, which is the silver package. That is the 50 USD. They will pay it for you, okay? They will pay that for you. All you got to do is create an account with them and fund it with 200 US dollars. Right? Create an account and fund with 200 US dollar. They will pay that $50 on your behalf. So I'm going to send you the link to register, okay? Because you don't have to pay this 50 US dollar to us if you want package 1. If you want package 2, like Arlington, you want package 2, which is the gold package, okay? You will have paid us 200 USD. You remember? you have been looking to pay us 200 USD, okay? But instead, Blueberry Market will pay that 200 USD on your behalf, okay? So if you sign up to them, all you need to do is deposit into your own life account, not your TradeMentor account, your account. You are going to send your document, you open your life account with them, and you deposit 500, and then they'll pay off your gold package. This has never happened before. All our students that we currently have, everybody pay for their own training. But because Blueberry recognized that we are doing a fantastic job, I think how they know us is one of our students actually contacted them and said, look, YourTradeMentor.com are doing great job. Why don't you partner with them? So they decided to come to us. So we said, okay, good. We are going to broadcast this to our students or new students. So it's fantastic you are here tonight, because even if you choose the diamond package, which is the 3-day mentorship, which is 500 US dollars, well, Blueberry is going to pay that for you. All you got to do is fund your account, open an account, and fund it with 1,200 USD, right? That is all you need to do, okay? But don't take my word for it. Let me show you Blueberry Market, because you know me, I've been in this thing for many, many years, and my reputation is not going to be dented by any broker, you know? So if Blueberry Market are a rubbish broker, you know, I will dump them very, very fast. you know, and I wouldn't want to associate myself with anything of such. But let me show you their website. I'm going to bring my internet here so you can see. Okay, so this is Blueberry Market. You know, one of the good things about trading is that you want a very good spread. You can see their spread is good as well, 0.1 here. What else? Okay, if you look at them, reviews on Trustpilot, very good, 5-star on Trustpilot, and a lot of reviews on Google and on FPA. You know FPA. If you have been in this business for a while, you know Forex Peace Army. They are like the police of Forex. Oh, yes. Okay. Oddington, if you already sign up with this broker, that will be a challenge for them because they already got your detail. It wouldn't look like you're a new joiner. So if you already sign up, you can come directly to us. Come directly to YourTradeMentor.com and we can do you a deal. Okay. I'm going to send you a link to join us on Telegram. So if you already have an account with these guys, it might be difficult for you to use our link to sign up again because they will know that you are coming back to them. But don't worry, you can still be part of us. A lot of people don't even join through the broker. They just come directly to us and we give them a good deal. Okay. So what else do we know about them? Okay, they have over 30,000 traders on their platform. Well, I could say that they have a very good support. You know, just go there, click support, and you start talking to them. Well, they have a very hassle-free deposit and withdrawal options. See, they have a lot of withdrawal options, different. In fact, you can deposit with crypto and you can withdraw with crypto as well. Okay. Yeah, those are some of the comments of the users. What they have a lot of trade instrument, you know. So somebody spoke to me yesterday that they wanted to trade they wanted to trade what is that? Options. Yeah, options trading. So they got Forex, they got shares, they got crypto, they got commodity metals and indices. Okay, so if you are interested in crypto, for example, they got it. Anything you want to trade, they got it. Okay. And they have a very simple 3 stages of registration. You apply, you verify, and you start trading. But most importantly, ladies and gentlemen, what I wanted to show you is about their regulatory certificate, because that is one of the most important. Okay. You know, regulation is, there are different levels of regulation. There are people that are regulated properly in a proper country, and there are some that are regulated in not popular country. Yeah. So they are regulated by the Australian Securities and Investment Commission. That is their registration number. So these guys are well regulated. The regulation is as good as that of Europe or even that of the US. Okay. Australia is a proper regulated country. So that is about this guy says. So I'm going to take this off now. So first of all, let me send you, okay. So shall we make, oh no, to make what 2,500 US dollar or 10,000 in a month, is it possible? Well, it depends on how much you start with. I mean, if you have 100,000 or 250,000 in your account, yes. Or you have half a million, yes, it's possible. But if you have $500 in your account and you want to make $2,500 in a month, you know, that is going to be tough, right? It's going to be very, very tough, right? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give you a link to sign up to this broker, right? So I'm going to send you a link now on this chat, okay? This link will take you to this page that you are looking at here. And it's a simple step. Just put your first name, last name, email address, phone number, and create account, okay? And once you create account, I think you are going to be required to submit your paperwork, you know, usually ID or proof of address or whatever. Follow that process. Once you follow that process, right, we'll get notified by them that you have signed up, and all you got to do is just come onto us and receive the training. They are not going to pay us straight away, but once you come, we are going to train you and you start to trade with them. Okay, they want you to stay with them for a very long time. They don't want somebody that trade for a week or for a month or 3 months and disappear. So they want a long-lasting relationship. So that's why they offer us that opportunity. So there's no more reason why you can't come and be mentored by YTM, your trade mentor. Because now even you can't say you don't have the money. But I understand some people who actually are from, or maybe they already signed up to Blueberry in the past. They may not be able to do it, or some countries which are excluded may not be able to do it because not all brokers are allowed in every country. Blueberry sometimes are not allowed in some countries. IC market are not allowed in some countries, and a lot of companies as well. So if your country, you are not allowed, when you try to sign up, you are not allowed to sign up because of the restrictions. Don't worry. I'm going to send you a link to YourTradeMentor.com where you can sign up directly. Okay, you can sign up directly to YourTradeMentor.com, even though the broker has rejected your application. Okay, it's not the fault of the broker really, because the broker has been mandated not to allow anybody from that jurisdiction to actually come and apply. And if they go against that, they are in big trouble. Okay, so they will be in trouble. So I'm going to send you a link now. Okay, this is the link to register directly. So for example, Audington, so you can register directly. Okay, you can register directly with us. And also, let me give you we have another link, which is our Telegram group. So we have a Telegram group, but that's a free group. Telegram group is a free group where you join and you come in and go anytime you want. No payment required. You can learn from other traders, and you can contact me via Telegram anytime, any day you want. Ask questions. So I'll leave my Telegram contact as well. Our Telegram contact, you can contact us through that. So any of these three packages, you can get Blueberry to pay for you if you sign up to them. Yeah, directly sign up to them. But if you're not allowed to sign up with them, because I know some countries are bad, they are not they are prevented from signing up. Okay, most Europe are okay. America, US sometimes might be prevented. A lot of Asia are allowed, Africa allowed, but some countries say some brokers cannot, canvas to their citizens. So if you are one of those, for example, the Australia will not allow, they will not allow this IC market or any broker like that to converse for Australian citizens. So there are a lot of different restrictions. But if you are not on that restriction, congratulations. But if you are within that restriction, then you can come directly to us by going to YourTradeMentor.com and click register. Then from there, we'll take you forward and we'll register you. We can even give you some discount to help you. Okay. So if you have any questions, I'm here to answer the questions. You can ask anything that you want. I will endeavor to answer it. Okay. Good. I'm seeing some questions here. Okay, somebody asked, what time is suitable for this strategy? Okay, 1 hour. The strategy we talked about is a 1 hour time frame and a 4 hour time frame. So if you use 1 hour time frame, you'll be using a TP of 20 pips and half of it for your stop loss. If you use a 4 hour time frame, you're using TP of 40 pips and half of that as your stop loss. Okay. Great. That's a very good question. Okay. Napo, you said, are you making profit yourself? Very, very much so. Yes, I am. Okay. So package 1 and package 2, they are flying. Okay. Yes, I've answered your questions, Shrikant, that yes, you can make 22,500 US dollar if you have a larger account. Because what happens is you have to trade based on your account size. So we teach people to use proper money management. For example, if you have 1,000 accounts, $1,000, so and you want to risk just 2%, it means that the maximum you can lose is $20 at any time. $20 is the maximum you can lose. And if the maximum you can lose is $20, you can use that to calculate how many pips would that be. So you can do it that way, or you can. So if you use that way, so $20, and if you take one standard lot, for example, $20 is 2 pips. Is that enough for your stop loss? No. If you trade mini lot, $20 will be 20 pips. Is the 20 pips stop loss okay for your strategy? If it is okay, then you can trade 0.1. But if $20, 20 pips is too small for your strategy, let's say you are a position trader, or you are a swing trader using 4-hour chart or using daily chart, and 20 pips is too small, it means you can't trade 0.1 lot size. You have to trade something less than that, maybe 0.05. In fact, we have a tool that we will give you to calculate it automatically. There's a tool that we give you. All you got to put your account size, you put how many percentage you are willing to risk, and the third thing you put is what is your stop loss, how many pips. So once you put those three parameters, you click calculate, it will tell you the lot size. It will tell you the volume that you got to put in to buy or to sell. Okay, so it will tell you automatically. So you will never be in a mistake. You never do any such a mistake. Okay. Okay, so for people, you asked the question, for people that have to sign up with TradeMentor, do you have to pay $50 a month fee since we can't sign up with Blueberry? Okay, so what I'm going to do for you tonight, for anyone like in that position, is that I understand that you couldn't sign up with Blueberry, yeah, because a lot of people have done, they've signed up with Blueberry, but I don't want you to be on a disadvantaged side. Usually, you will pay the full $50, or you pay the full $200 depending on the package, or $500 depending on the package. So what I'm prepared to do is to give you a discount tonight. I'm just making up that decision right now because I know I don't want to be anyone to be disadvantaged here. So I'm going to give you a discount of 20% tonight. And if you're interested, let me know so I can create the discount code for you. I can get my department to send the discount code for you, because this is something I'm making off as we go. It's a live session. This is not a recorded message. So it's a live session. So, and my aim is to make sure that you become profitable. Even if I have to teach you with limited fund, whatever you have, you can come and I'm ready to hold your hand and show you the way, take it to the level that when you get there, you too, you help other people. So, we have 1 million to go, and we are still far away from 1 million traders, successful traders. So I'll be more than happy to help you. If 20% discount will help you, let me know. I will get the code across. Maybe I will post it here if you're interested. So you can sign up directly at our website. But for you guys, that no restriction from Blueberry Market, congratulations once more. Congratulations, you can go for it. I mean, if I have this opportunity, I know that there's a mentor that knows what they are doing in the market, and they have been there for a long time. And somebody say, okay, you know what? You can go to that mentor, let him mentor you, and I'll pay for the fee. Right. And all I need to do is just create create an account and deposit, which I have to do anyway. If I need to trade, I need to put money in one broker. I can't put money in my account and trade with it. It has to be in a broker's account. So so that would be a fantastic opportunity, and I would take that that chance. All right. Okay, so I see a few people have already clicked the link to register. So have a choice between you register using YourTradeMentor.com, which with a 20% discount if you want to, or if you go directly to Blueberry Markets, you sign up to them, and then you can come back to us on you can come back to me on on Telegram. All right, I want to give you the Telegram link. Okay, you can join the Telegram link as we speak. I will give you the Telegram link. So the Telegram links means that we are connected. We are connected. So that link is the Telegram link I just sent you. If you click that link, you can join us right away. Ask any questions. We'll answer your questions. We'll try and make sure that you get value for anything that you're doing. So Blueberry, they really appreciate what we are doing. That's why they partner with us, and they will pay for silver package. They will pay 50 USD to us, not you. For gold package, they will pay 200 USD to us. You are not paying it. For diamond package, they will pay 500 USD to us. You are not going to pay it, but you will still get the quality mentorship that you deserve. Okay, so if, for example, you are already thinking of doing diamond package and you are looking at, my goodness, 500 US dollars, too much or too don't fret about it. It's been paid on your behalf. All right, for those who wants to use discount, okay, all right, so for those people who wants to use discount, that's a good point. Yes, you can send message on on Telegram. Okay, so Mama, okay, you are going to tell me, because I'm going to create a discount for a specific package. So tell me which package you want the discount created for. Okay. Okay, yeah, I understand. Yes, I understand. Because in the US, yeah, you might be prevented. Yeah, give me which package should I create the discount for? There is a silver, gold, or diamond, or package 1, 2, or 3. 1 being the biggest, followed by 2, and followed by number 3, which is 50 USD. So let me know which package you want. It's either silver, gold, or diamond. In fact, maybe I should show you here. All right, you know what? Let me show you here. Okay, in fact, it makes sense. Let me show you here. All right, so this is, I'm going to go to register. So if I go to register, you come to the registration page. This is our website. You come to registration page. You have these 3 packages. Haven't shown you. Oh my goodness, haven't shown you. Why I haven't shown you this? I should have shown you this. Okay, don't worry. I'm showing you now. Not too late. Okay, so this is the silver package. See, it's 50 US dollar. You see the gold package is 200, and the diamond is 500. Okay, this is the amount that Blueberry is going to pay. They're going to pay 50, depending on what you choose. I mean, you can go for 500 if you think you want that much, 200 or 50. They will pay that for you. All you need to do is to enjoy the training. So you can see all the 3 packages have the same thing. Actually, the difference is for the gold, you got 2 hours mentorship included with Dare, with me. 2 hours mentorship. And with the diamond package, you got 6 hours mentorship. Everything else, they are equal. All those package, all those the deals, the bonus, the special bonus, they are the same, but 6 hours for diamond and 2 hours for gold. Okay, so yeah, very good, good observation, Mama D66, because Blueberry might not actually do it for some citizens in the US, maybe, but you can try first. I guess they will block US, which is understandable if that is the agreement. So if US is excluded, then you can use the let me log in and get the code for you. You can use the discount code, okay, which means at least you get a good discount out of it. If you have not been on this YouTube and you just come directly to your trade mentor, you are going to pay the full amount of money. Oh my goodness. I mean, our current student might be wondering, oh wow, I should have waited. I should have waited until I get this discount, or I should have waited for blueberry market. But they have made money anyway between then and now, so they have nothing to complain about. They have nothing to complain about. So I'm waiting for you to tell me, okay, so for option 1, you want me to get you a discount code for option 1, okay? If you want discount code for option 2 or 3, anyone, let me know, and we can do that. At least we can do that for you tonight. We can do that for you tonight. So live session, 20% live session. So that is what the code is called. 20% live session code. That is for you guys. So this one is going to be for silver package. If you use it for the other packages, it will not work. Okay. So if you use it for diamond or use it for gold, it will not work. So you have to use the right one. So I'm going to send you this one. And if you do it right away, you can let me know if you have any issues so I can help you to resolve the matter. Okay, so there you go. Mama D66. Okay, so that's discount code. Okay, thank you for that. Oh, the diamond. Okay, don't use this one. Forget about this one. Forget about the initial code. This one is for silver, actually. Let me delete that because I need to tell you exactly what the code is all about. Okay, let me do the diamond package and then I'll send you the code. Okay, so 20% diamond, right? Diamond package. So that is for Mamadi and other people. So when you try it, you can do it right now so that you let me know what your result is. Okay. Okay, so 20% for Mama D66. Okay, I think I got that for you. Okay, so diamond package discount code so that we are not confused of which one is which. Okay, so for the diamond package, that is it. But that is C. I think that is C. Let me check. Is it CO or C0? I'm going to check. I will let you know what it is. It must be, I'll put it in a Word document because sometimes 0 and O, they look alike, but they are two different things. Okay. I can tell you. Let me see. I can tell you that it is 0. It's not O. It is number 0. That is number 0. Okay. Okay, that is number 0. Okay. All right. So USB, you need code for gold package. Okay. All right. So the first code I sent is for diamond package and will not work for any other package. In fact, the best thing for you to do, Mama D6 is to copy and paste. Don't even type it. Just copy and paste in the discount code box and apply. So that will work. Okay. USB, I'm going to create a code for goats package. Okay, so 20% gold package and 20 gold. Okay. Okay, now so I'm going to give you this. This one is for the gold package. So this one is easy to, it's actually very easy to read. It doesn't have that confusing 0 and it doesn't have the confusing 0 and O. Okay, so for the gold, okay, so gold package discount. All right, so I've just sent you the gold package discount. Okay. Okay. I hope you got it. Yeah. Gold discount package discount is that code there. You can go for it and use it now. So if you have any questions or if you encounter any issues at all, I could stay here to help you to resolve it before we go. Yes. So anyone else that need anything to be created, I've not created the one for silver. The one I created for silver, I think I've deleted it. So if you want the silver package created, let me know. I've created gold and I've created, okay, thank you so much, USB. Thank you. You can try it. Let's make sure that it is correct. A lot of people have used it and it's worked. So yes. Mama D66. All right. Okay. So right. So I was saying that, the 50 USD usually a lot of people go for this, especially if they already, they're already making money in Forex, but they need to be in a group of traders. So they will just sign for 50 USD. But a lot of people as well, they need a review. They just need a review of their trading strategy, of what they've been doing, feel one or two things to adjust, so they go for gold package. I've seen few people as well, actually a lot of people also sign up to diamond, because in that time it means that the first lesson is for analyzing the trader's past performance. The next lesson is to recommend a strategy based on the performance of the past, based on the students' psychological makeup, what time frame, what type of time is available for them to trade. Where do they live? Are they in the US? Can they trade? What session can they trade? Can they trade American session or Asian session or Europe session? What time frame do they want to trade with? All those things. We design the package on day 2. And day 3, the student actually go away and trade, because all these 3 days are not going to be a day after each other. It could be a week apart, it could be 2 days apart, it could be a month apart. So once they've used that strategy that we have devised together, designed together, and they then come back the 3rd time for us to then look at the progress. Have you made progress so far? What are the differences you have made since you started using the strategy? Is any adjustment necessary? All those things is good for somebody who really want to take it to the next level. Everybody takes it to the next level, but it depends on which level you are starting from. So if you are starting from the ground level, then you got to go for the for longer hours of deep down. Okay, but if you're already on a good, you're already smashing it. You're already smashing it, but you just want the momentum to continue, then you can go for lower ones like silver or gold. All right, so I hope everyone has who wanted to try has tried it. So, you know, you have options. One is either you go through the broker, which you have seen. You go through these guys. Unfortunately, not everybody can do that. Mama, these sixes can't do that. And I think USB also can't do that. Probably maybe because of maybe they live in the US, unfortunately. I'm in the UK. I think I can do it. And people in Europe generally can do it. Africa can do it. Asia can do it. Australia cannot. I think US may not as well. So, but you got to try it first. All these brokers are clever, so they know your IP address. So even if you put the wrong country, it's I'm in let's say Cuba, but your IP is reading Canada. They might know. That's, no, not for you, not for you. We can't give you that discount. No, we can't pay that for you. But it's worth trying anyway. Okay, so please either send message. I think both of you or anyone that has used that discount code to join, I will encourage you to click the Telegram link, because that Telegram link is where ordinarily you will find us, and then from there we will move you to our forum. We move you to our forum where everything is happening. You know, that's where everything is happening in our forum. That's the where live trading is happening. So we add it to the server and we put it in the correct family group. So, but to reach out to us, you can. Oh, sorry, I'll give you registration. No. I wanted to give you the link to Telegram instead. Telegram link. I've sent it before, but I'm going to send it again. So you can click the Telegram and join now. Everybody here, you can do that. Click the link and just join now. And yeah, so once you join the Telegram, we'll see you in Telegram. And then you can just ping me or ping Demi. Okay. You can ping me, Demi, any of us. Okay, let's see who is joined Telegram. We'll see. Okay, Dina has just joined Telegram, which is good. Dina has joined Telegram just now. Everyone is welcome to join Telegram. I'll quickly show you our Telegram. You are free to join it anytime. So this is our Telegram group. This is a Forex. We call it Forex Simple Breakout Strategy. You can see this person has just joined about a few minutes ago. This is a live session we are doing right now. We always publish it on our Telegram group. Currently, we have about 1,000, just under 1,000 members in Telegram group. So this group is a free group. You just join it, and then you get a trade advice. You discuss with other traders there. Okay. But you can also reach out to us. So if you want to reach out to me or to Demi, you can just speak to any of us, chat with any of us. So even when you say, hello, I just signed up to a gold package, what next can I do? Just type it in there. We are going to jump on it and answer your question. Or how do I sign up to silver package? Or where is the discount code? Whatever you want to ask, just put it just ask it on Telegram. Okay, but once we get you on Telegram, then we move you to our server, which is the Discord server. So then you are a member of both Telegram and Discord. Only Discord is for membership. Okay. So any more questions? Okay. All right. So Justice, have you just joined? Let me see. I'm also here. Oh, Justice, you are here. Have you been here for long? Oh, yeah. You've been here before, right? Okay, good. I can see you. You are live. You are live on YouTube. Justice, you're live on YouTube channel. I wish your picture is there. So I just show your picture, right? I just show your picture. I saw you're live on YouTube. Good, good, good. Thank you for that. Thank you for that, Justice, for joining. You've been a member, and I think since you have been here before, you know we are always accommodating to anyone that wants to join us. Cool. Okay, Justice is typing. All right. Oh, you joined a long time ago. See, Justice on the YouTube live and he's chatting to me on Telegram. So I'm reading what he's saying on Telegram and I'm replying on the YouTube channel. Fantastic. Look at the live, you know. Justice is living the lie. Thank you for validating us, Justice, because sometimes people need to see this. They need to know that because some people will say, oh, this is our Telegram channel, but they don't own it. It's not their Telegram channel, or they just be making some fake reports. But yeah, thank you for that. You know, people will see that, look, we are operating on both channels. So thank you for that. Okay. Brilliant. Okay, so anybody wants any more package created? Okay, yes, thank you for that. So you have signed up. Okay, great. Thank you for signing up. The next thing is that you are going to be added to our Discord server, and one of our administrators is going to do that for you. In fact, our main admin is going to do that for you. On Telegram, are you on Telegram? Are you on Telegram? The best thing is to join us on Telegram. Okay, if you are on Telegram, then we can. I see Dina is typing. Dina is typing on Telegram. Okay, if you're on Telegram, then we can just private message you with a link to join the Discord server, because the Discord server is not, anybody cannot join that Discord server. It's only for members. Oh, good. Thank you, Demi. Demi is going to sort you out. Fantastic. Demi is going to sort you out. Oh, great, great. Thank you for that. I'm sure you are in the good hands. USB, don't worry, you are in a capable hand. In the next 2 minutes, once you are in Telegram and she knows you, you will be there. Oh, yes. Okay, Dina. All right. So Blueberry do not service USA. Oh, yeah. I guess as much. Actually, to be honest, I knew that will happen. Yes, that will happen. USA, Australia, Cuba, no, Iran, Russia, a lot of different countries. Yeah. There's a like exclusion list, country excluded. So never mind. So use the code. Thank you for that, Dina. I see you both. Okay, but it's your, all right. I think you are Dina on Telegram, but it's a different name on YouTube, probably. Yeah. I don't want to pop nose. I don't want to pop nose. It's just that I'm wondering who Dina is on YouTube. But fantastic. You're welcome. Thank you for joining. Is that Mama D66? Maybe that's Mama D66. Maybe not. I'm just vibrating, just checking. Okay. All right. So yes, you are right, Dina. Blueberry do not serve USA, but you can use the code. Yes, you can definitely use the code. Thank you. Yeah, so I want to be here. Make sure that anyone that signed up tonight will be in Discord, because Demi is going to take care of that. So once you sign up, just let us know why we're on live now, and Demi is going to add you straight away, and then you become a family. In fact, tonight you can find a strategy for yourself, because we have we have traders all over the world. We have traders from US who probably now they are just they are in the afternoon. They are still looking to trade. Europe guys are now going to bed, and people from Japan, Australia, China, different places. They are now just Vietnam. They're just waking up, and they're now probably just still sleeping. Maybe still sleeping to wake up later on in the day, maybe 2 hours time. So Okay. Oh, just send you PM. Okay. All right. Thank you. Dina, I think Demi has just sent you a PM on Telegram. So both of you can have a chat, yeah, I can have a private message and then she will sort you out. Fantastic. You'll get to meet Demi later on. She's going to be your anchor. All right. So anyone else who wants a discount code? We've got the discount code for the diamond and for the gold package. So if you haven't seen it, I can send it again to you. Because text sometimes can scroll up, so it can be scrolling. So let me find it and I will send it in case anybody wants it. So let me see if I can grab it again. Okay, where is it? All right, so diamond is here. Let me send the diamond again. The diamond package is here. And I'm going to put the gold package as well. Oh, somebody's just joined. Who's that? Oh, no. Oh, Dina. Okay. Dina just. Oh, yeah. So you are Mama D6 is okay. All right. Got you. We put name. We put name to the YouTube ID. Good stuff. All right. Thank you for that. We appreciate it. Oh, great. We appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you for that. So check your private message. Yeah. So Demi is already chatting with you privately. All right. So those two are the packages. The first one for the diamond and the first one for the gold. Both of them have 20% discount. I will let you know that after this session, we'll probably remove those discounts. So anyone that is not signing up now, that want to sign up later, maybe tomorrow or next tomorrow, will have to pay for the full fee. So if you are thinking of signing up, I will say do it now so you get the advantage of that 20%. Okay. So the strategy we talked about is a wonderful strategy. Let's quickly review it if anybody has a question on that. Okay. Okay. So, and I told you about all those things, most of them are on Discord channel. Okay. And also on our website. The complete tutorial videos, you will see them on our website and also on Discord. The recorded access to mentorship, you are going to see that on our website. If you have a one-to-one, you will get access to it. The three powerful trading strategies, you will see that on Discord channel or Discord server. The premium indicators and templates. Okay, one thing that I didn't mention is I mentioned it, but let me clarify, is that we are going to give you a coupon code that will allow you to download loads of resources from our website. So we have indicators and we have some expert advisors that you can download. Okay, we have used indicators ourselves. We have tested them, and if it's of interest to you, you go to our store on the website. You go to the store. Instead of paying for it, okay, let me. If I show you what I'm talking about, it will make sense. Okay, so this is YourTradeMentor.com, and if you go to shop, okay, shop or our store, you get all this stuff here. So usually people will come here and purchase automatic Ichimoku alerts or automatic magnetic divergence, automatic trend line. They purchase all this stuff for themselves. But because you have joined tonight, right, you have access to a coupon code, a coupon code that gives you access to download any or all of this stuff for free. because the coupon code will give you 100% discount. It's not 20%, 100%. So but you can do that later on once you join, or some people will do it immediately. Some people will leave it for a while. When they settle down, they come back to it and they look at what is of interest and they download it. But without coupon code, you will pay. You pay any amount you see here, you pay. But with coupon code, you will download it with a coupon code, which is inclusive in your membership. So that's why in that list, okay, so this also is part of it. So you have a trading journal, Bollinger Band strategy, no lag indicator, Renko, bar builder, simple breakout box, and then simple breakout strategy. This is strategy which you can trade as well. Okay, so that is what we mean by premium indicators and template downloads. So only when you sign up, like Dina signed up, then we'll give you a coupon code. In fact, if you look at your email, the email you received, you must have received one email in your box. That email you receive, please check your junk folder. Sometimes the email goes to junk folder. It will have the coupon code there. Or even if you don't get the email, when you actually sign up, the pop-up message that you get, I think it might include the discount code. But if it's not, don't worry, we'll give it to you from our Discord channel, or we can private message you on Telegram. You get it. So that's what we mean by premium indicator and template downloads. You can see that it's worth over $1,000, right? Oh, Justice. Okay. Oh, great. Oh, Justice, you made it to BlackBerry. Woo! Justice made it to BlackBerry. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. Oh, great. May I ask, if I may ask, which country is that? Is it you don't have to mention the city or anything. Is it Americas or Americas? If you don't want to mention if it's the US or not. But anyway, congratulations. Brilliant. All right, so so I think the process is we're gonna check. Actually, once you are signed up, we can add you as well. In fact, to do that tonight, we can add you straight away to our Discord. Right, we can sign you straight away to our Discord. Demi can handle that. Demi will private message you on Telegram. She will send you a private message on Telegram, and then she will add you to our Discord server immediately. Why? I think you said you've applied, and you South Africa. Oh, fantastic. Okay, good. We have people from South Africa who's in our group who are trading from South Africa. So you have Sandile, a few people are there, so you will enjoy it. Brilliant. So you can you will still require, I think they will still require you to send in some documents. Okay, they will require you to send in some documents to Blueberry to confirm your ID, to confirm your other stuff. So please make sure you follow through with that. But in the interim, you are going to be added to our group, and you can start benefiting from tonight. You can start benefiting tonight. So because you see that what we're after is not just cash or money or anything. We're after your success, So we are glad that you signed up, even though you may not have even finished the process yet. But we have a database that we are going to check. But I'm not really keen or very, very speedily going to check that. I'm just going to take your word for it. Join us, be part of us, learn from us. Thank you. Brilliant. Okay, so you got the two packages there. You got the discount for the diamond, and you got the discount for the gold. All right. By the way, I see people have given us likes. We have 12 likes. If you can add more likes to it, that would be fantastic. That would be a good thing. If you can give us a thumbs up that you like this, that That would be great. Thank you so much. It's been wonderful. Okay. So we appreciate everyone that has been here today. I'm sure we'll learn one or two things from the lesson. We know that having a mentor is a great investment. You know that when you got a mentor, you can hold your hand, show you the road. Few things that you need to adjust might give you just the breakthrough that you're looking for. So thank you so much. So we'll be looking for more questions, and if there are no more questions, we'll probably be looking to be rounding up. Yes, I hope everybody that has joined is already on Discord or already got a PM private message. Okay, I hope you already got a private message from Demi. If you have not, we'll make sure you get the private message and you are added to the Discord server tonight. Okay, thank you. Brilliant. Good. All right, so one more thing I would like to say that if you have not signed up to subscribe to our YouTube channel, consider that, because we are going to be bringing some of these things live. And if you subscribe and click the notification, then you will receive the alert that we are coming online. Sometimes we do it on today, for example, on a Thursday, but we may change the date and time. If you subscribe and have the notification bell, then you can get that notification anytime, any day. You won't miss a thing. You won't miss a dime. You'll be with us all the time. Smashing. Thank you, guys. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. It's been fantastic. You've been great. Thank you so much. I appreciate your time. And if there are no more questions, and I hope to catch you another time, but remember to subscribe and remember to click the notification bell, because that will keep you in touch with us. And if you have not joined Telegram group, that is the best place you can reach us anytime. When we are not live on YouTube, we are always live on Telegram. As you can see on the screen, we're always live on Telegram. Okay, we are always live on Telegram. So these are all the benefit that you will get if you sign up tonight. You get all this benefit, and the package, as we said, is only 3 packages. You have the silver, you have the gold, and you have the diamond. Okay, that is the offer. And yeah, you got the code to sign up to that if you are not accepted by Blueberry Market. But if you are accepted by Blueberry Market, oh, fantastic, good news for you. Those amounts will be paid by Blueberry, not you. So you get your £50, $50 paid for you for silver, $200 paid for you for gold, and 500 diamonds paid for you. Great. Fortunate. My big bro. Fortunate is one of the founding members of Your Trade Mentor. It's been a rock for us. So you got to hear from him when you joined Your Trade Mentor. He's from US, I believe. Oh, it's doing fantastic. All right. Thank you. I didn't realize you are here. Okay, you are here. Thank you for that. Fantastic. All right. So it's been great. We had good time. Tonight. We still have quite a few people still online. We actually if you look at what we discussed today, we talked about this strategy. Let me show you in case you missed it. Let me show you quickly. I think you know the strategy already. This is the strategy, right? So this is the strategy. Okay, this is the strategy we talked about today. This is it live. Okay, if you have not seen it in live, this is it. You have two indicators. So you have the MACD, the yellow one, which is 5:15:1. That is the setting. And then you have the bigger one, which is 12:26:1. Robert is here too. The squad. The YTM crew is here. The YTM crew is here. All right. The YTM crew is here. Kindly. All right. Let me see. Okay. So someone needs the silver package. All right. Let's do the silver package. All right. Let's create. I think we created one. Let's just make sure we created it correctly. Okay. So 20% silver. Okay, so we're gonna do it as we go, guys. We're making it up as we go. This is live sessions. It's not recorded, it's live. Okay, so we're gonna insert a discount for you. And I'm gonna send the discount code now. Okay, anyone that is interested in taking the discount code offer, remember that it's gonna go off tonight. It's gonna be removed because for people that actually joined the YouTube channel or the live session, it makes sense to give them something, right? And this is for them. Okay, so silver package, silver package, discount code. All right. So the last one is the silver package discount code. How is this? Ofuluse Augusta. Oh, how are you? Long time. Where have you been? Where have you been? Right? So fortunate. And yeah, fortunate. So this is what we discuss. This is strategy we talked about. You know, we have it on our Discord as well. All right. So let's just take, for example, we want to trade. Let's say we pick a time, something. Let's look at the signals here. And for some of you that follow us today, you know, we said if the small MACD crosses the zero line and the big MACD follow it, that's a buy signal. So you got a buy signal here over here. Let me move this across. Yeah, so you see the yellow has crossed the line there, but the white crosses here. So your buy signal started from here. Okay, that is the trend trading as we discussed it earlier. Then we have another trading, which is called the counter trend. That is when both of them cross together. But we say that is a bit risky and you should trade it with caution. Okay. And then we have another one, we call it re-entry. So this is the main one that trend entry signal. Let's look for another trend entry signal. Okay, for trend entry signal, this one is a sell. Okay, because it crosses there. Oh, somebody says something here. Okay. Right. Yes. Okay. Yes. So, yeah. So, silver package code, Demi has just sent it. That's good. But only for tonight. Anyone that get it on this Telegram and think they can use it tomorrow, no, it's not going to work tomorrow. It's only for tonight. All right. So let's look for more entries. Okay. So here you can see you have another entry there for a buy. Here you have entry for a sell. Here you have entry for a buy. That's the main trend strategy. Here you have entry for a buy. Here you have entry for a sell. I'm looking at here. You see when it crosses. Okay. Okay, that's another buy. That's a sell. That's a buy. That's a sell. That's a buy. Okay, this one is a re-entry. This is a re-entry signal for the sell. And I said to you, it's a bit trading against the trend. So when the two of them crosses back again, you might want to sell, but it's against the trend. So you do that with caution. Okay, that's a sell. Now here it crosses for a sell, and that's it. So that's it. That's a sell here, and that is a re-entry because we are the white MACD is still okay. So that's a sell here, and it's still going. And this is 5 minutes. All right. So it should be used on 1 minute chart. Okay, 1 minute, and also 4 hour. 1 hour chart and 4 hour chart. That's what it should be used on. It can be used on any time frame, but I think for this to make sense, yeah. But if you are a short-term trader, you can apply it. You can see if it's going to work, but tested on hour and 4 hour time frame. We've tested it on these 2 time frame. Okay, so here you go. So you can pick any of this. You can pick any of these signals. Now they're all good signals. Not 100%, but sometimes you might miss it. But you'll be able to cut your losses very short. As we say, you use a take profit target of 20 pips for 1 hour charts, 40 pips for 4 hour charts. That's your take profit. You use half of that for your stop loss. Okay. Great stuff. Thank you. Who else is there? All right. Fortunate. Robert. Ofulie. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. It's been fantastic. I think I wanted to go before until Fortunate came on board, and I thought, oh my guy, I'm gonna give him time, and Robert, I'm gonna give them time. So this strategy is on Discord server, so even if you don't get it all, you can still pick it up on the Discord server. And if it's something you want to have a look, fine. It's not the only strategy that we trade, it's one of the strategies. Okay, I'm just scrolling so that you can see some of these signals. For example, this is called the entry signal. You can see all along the big MACD is above 0, but you can see the small MACD dip below 0 and come back again into the trend. So that's a re-entry signal for a buy. Initially, the buy started from here. Actually, if you look at it, the buy started way from here. So that is the initial buy. That is the initial buy. And this is another re-entry. That's another re-entry because you can see the white MACD has not fallen below 0. Okay. But the small MACD fell below 0 and then come back again into positive. That's when you do a re-entry buy signal. Okay. Okay, see, there's another re-entry here as well. MACD is still in positive range. The big MACD is still in positive range, but the smaller yellow MACD fell below and come back. It's a buy. So it's quite interesting. It's interesting. So you got the silver package discount code already. Who was that? That's Justice. Okay, Justice. Yeah, Justice has got that. So it will be Demi will sort it out. You'll be good. All right. Thank you so much. And I think finally we can call it end of the lesson today. I appreciate everyone that has been here. It's been fantastic and I enjoyed it, and I hope that you enjoy it too. So what can I say in terms of good night? Kashifon. I want to speak some languages now. I want to speak some languages now. Donkey. Odabo. Okay. See you guys. Thank you so much. Once and for all. We're gonna come back again next week, probably even before then, but keep in touch from YouTube. Subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can join us. You can get the alert and you won't miss a thing. Good. Thank you so much, everyone. Good night or good morning or good evening. See you next time. So it's Dari.